Hey everyone, welcome back to Entrepreneurian Tools, Tips, and Tricks. Today I'm going to be talking about email parsers. And email parsing is the action of parsing in information from an email. So this is very useful if a lead source is sending you lead info and you want to bring in that information automatically. So sometimes they can send you everything from first name, last name, email, phone, net worth, capital, description. Sometimes these lead emails can come in very big amounts of content that makes it hard to do it over and over and over again, plugging it into your CRM. So again, these email parsers help you automate that. Every time they send in a lead, that info from the email comes into the CRM. So today, again, all of this info that I'm showing you today is fake info, fake names, fake phone, fake emails. So don't try to call them. You're going to hit a blank wall. So let's get into it. Again, I'm going to be using Zoho CRM. This is my system that I use. There are a lot of other CRMs that may have this email parser option, but I definitely recommend Zoho CRM, and this is what I'm going to be showing you in today. So let's get into it. To get to email parser in your CRM, you're going to go into settings, in channels, and then in your email channel, you'll see email parser as one of those top options. So I don't have any email parsers because I don't necessarily buy leads or get any automatic leads, but this can definitely help if your business does. So I'm just going to say lead provider. I'm going to say leads. You can also add it into other modules, your contacts, accounts. Okay, so this is the beginning of it. There's two ways that you can go ahead and start bringing in the info for an email parser. So the first way is to send an email to their pre-parser email address. So this is automatically going to capture all that info and say, this is the data that you can collect. Today, I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste email content. And so I made some test info. And as you can see, first name, last name, phone, email, date of birth. Tester sends my guy. And I want to bring in all that info from an email. So what this is going to do is say everything with a colon, pull in as information. And so when we parse this, it's going to automatically say, these are the pieces of info that we want to capture. And so right now you can see that I have all of these automatically put together. First name, last name, phone, email, date of birth is not on here. Actually, it is. Okay, cool. So I can map all of that, make sure it's going into the right field, and then I'm ready to go. So I can literally just save, and let me move my big head a little real quick. There's an option if you need to add attachments from the email that you can do that. And then the second step is going to say, let's update fields automatically that I want for this. So I usually would say this is going to be lead source is going to be, I'll just say advertisement for today. So you can pick what your lead source is going to be. You can pick what status you want it to start in. So I'm going to say new lead. And then I'm going to say based on my users, I'm just going to assign it to me. But if you have multiple users in your business, you can assign it to specific people. If you have multiple people in here, then this is going to actually do a round robin and send one to the other as they come in. All right. And so the last step is to make the approved email address. So I'm going to just say this is from me. And there we go. So this is saying any emails that come from my address, make sure to see if this email parser works for them. All right, save that. So now I can start sending emails into this lead parser, and if it's in that format, it's going to automatically pull it into my CRM. Email parser, everyone. Let me know what your thoughts are, your questions, and I look forward to you on the next video. Have a great day.